Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can hide views on Instagram Reels. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is the homepage. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the bottom right corner and then click on this profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, then you will be in your profile page. Scroll down until you find your posts. So right now click on the Reels icon and then you will be here in the Reels page. Go ahead and click on any video that you want to hide views from. And right here in the right, you're gonna find four options: like, comment, share, and lastly the three dots for more options. Click on it, and then right here, you're gonna find three options: save, manage, and lastly delete. Go ahead and click on manage, and then once you click on manage, right here, you're gonna find edit, turn off commenting, pinned to your reels, hide likes, remove from profile grid, download, and lastly archive. So as you can see guys, the option to hide views is unfortunately not available yet on Instagram Reels. The only options that you have is to turn off commenting if you want to turn off commenting, and also you can hide likes, and if you want to enable them again, do the same steps and you're gonna find here unhide likes and turn on commenting. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.